Okay, here we are, Matthew Russell Lee, Inner City Press, here at the Southern District of New York Courthouse. Today, Tuesday, August 16th, 2022. Now, yesterday we covered, once again, a case that we've been covering from the beginning, in which people have sued the government and military of El Salvador for torture and human rights violations. It was filed, and then there was a lot of delay, and now there's even more delay. El Salvador, with Bitcoin, has hired Arnold & Porter, a large law firm, which has asked for an extension. The plaintiffs have opposed it and will stay on the case. Rest in peace, Dr. Cruciani, charged with, in fact convicted of, sexually abusing his patients in state court. We were covering him here in federal court where he had a trial. He got a free lawyer. We won an order unsealing the financial affidavit. Well, he's been found dead in Rikers Island. Apparently it's suicide. One sort of wonders. I covered a case yesterday where a Rikers inmate was complaining of handcuffs left on too tight overnight. Maybe Cruciani, I don't know. His lawyers had asked that he be put on suicide watch. In any event, it's not a funny story, but I did feel a need to bring closure. The question now is whether federal defenders, which appealed the unsealing order, will withdraw the appeal, given that there's not a privacy interest there anymore. I'm going to jump ahead. There's some other cases. There's the Assange case. We wrote about that. Assange lawyers and journalists that visited him in Ecuador embassy have sued the CIA and Mike Pompeo here in EDNY, and we are all over it. The UN, of course, had no comment on that, nor on its shameful role in the Kenyan election fiasco. EDNY. This is our new series. Yesterday we covered the case of Angwang. He's a New York City police officer working for the government of China, spying on Tibetan dissidents. We asked for information from spokesman John Marzulli. That would seem to be his job. No answer at all. But today at 5 p.m., the Office of Breon Peace has a filing due in another case before the same judge, Eric Comity, and that filing is about why they're claiming that the sentencing memos are not public. We've asked for comment from Mr. Marzulli on that as well. None are due, but we will have an update. 5 p.m. Tick-tock, it's getting close. To be continued.